Hello viewers, we are unveiling the magic of face serums, types, skin compatibility, and why you should include them in your skincare routine. Discover the transformative impact of facial serums, tailored to your skin type, enhancing your skincare regimen with their remarkable benefits. In the ever-evolving world of skincare, face serums have emerged as the unsung heroes of achieving radiant and youthful skin. These lightweight, fast-absorbing liquids are packed with potent active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. Whether you're looking to combat signs of aging, reduce hyperpigmentation, or simply enhance your skin's overall health, there's a serum designed for you. In this video, we'll explore the different types of face serums, their compatibility with various skin types, and why you should consider adding them to your skincare routine. Types of face serums. Hyaluronic acid serums. Ideal for all skin types, especially dry and dehydrated skin. Why? Hyaluronic acid is a powerful hydrator that retains moisture, making skin plump and radiant. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by filling in the skin with hydration. Vitamin C serums. Ideal for all skin types, especially those with pigmentation concerns or seeking a brighter complexion. Why? Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental damage and stimulates collagen production. It can also fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Retinol, vitamin A, serums. Ideal for mature or acne-prone skin. Why? Retinol is renowned for its ability to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and acne. It promotes skin cell turnover, revealing smoother and more youthful skin. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, serums. Ideal for all skin types, particularly those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. Why? Niacinamide helps minimize pore size, control oil production, and improve the skin's barrier function, making it suitable for various skin concerns. Peptide serums. Ideal for all skin types, especially those seeking anti-aging benefits. Why? Peptides are amino acid chains that stimulate collagen production, aiding in firming and toning the skin while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Antioxidant serums. Ideal for all skin types, particularly those exposed to pollutants. Why? Antioxidants like green tea extract and resveratrol neutralize free radicals, preventing premature aging and protecting the skin from environmental damage. Skin types and serum compatibility. Dry skin, hyaluronic acid serums are a must, as they deeply hydrate and lock in moisture. Incorporating vitamin E can also help nourish and repair dry skin. Oily skin, niacinamide serums regulate oil production and reduce pore size. Lightweight, non-comedogenic options are essential to prevent clogged pores. Combination skin, a well-balanced serum that addresses specific concerns, such as a combination of hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, can work wonders. Sensitive skin, look for serums with soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. Fragrance-free and hypoallergenic options are safer for sensitive skin. Mature skin, retinol and peptide serums are excellent choices for mature skin to combat signs of aging. Be cautious with stronger retinol concentrations, and introduce them gradually. Why use face serums? Targeted treatment. Face serums contain high concentrations of active ingredients, allowing them to target specific concerns more effectively than moisturizers or cleansers. Lightweight formulation. Their lightweight texture makes serums suitable for layering in your skincare routine, ensuring that the active ingredients penetrate deeply into the skin. Improved absorption. Serums are designed to have smaller molecules, which penetrate the skin's surface more efficiently, delivering nutrients where they are needed. Versatility. With a wide range of serums available, you can customize your skincare routine to address your unique skin concerns. Which serum is best for your skincare routine? The best serum for your skincare routine ultimately depends on your individual skin type and concerns. However, a simple skincare routine may include a gentle cleanser to remove impurities, a serum tailored to your specific concerns, example, vitamin C for brightness or hyaluronic acid for hydration, a moisturizer to lock in the serum's benefits, sunscreen, morning routine, to protect against UV damage. Remember to introduce new serums gradually to avoid potential sensitivity, and always patch test new products. Consulting with a dermatologist or skincare professional can provide personalized guidance. So beauties, face serums are a vital addition to your skincare arsenal, offering targeted solutions for various skin concerns. Understanding your skin type and concerns will help you choose the right serum to achieve radiant, healthy skin. So, embark on your journey to flawless skin by incorporating a serum that suits your unique needs into your daily skincare routine. Your skin will thank you for it. So friends, if you want more information, visit Wikiaware website, and if you like this useful information, like, share, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.